Good day, class. Yes, it's me, Teacher Jan. So, today, let's learn together. All right. Our topic for today is all about repotting plant. Again, repotting plant. All right. Now, let's read the vocabulary. Vocabulary. All right. Number 1. Repotting. Repotting. Number 2. Seed coat. Seed coat. Number 3. Embryo. Embryo. Number 4. Cotyledon. Cotyledon. Number 5. Germination. Germination. So, things to prepare for repotting a plant. Here we go. We have soil, seedling or small plant. Look at the picture. Pot, number 3. Look at the picture. And then number 4, cut coconut into pieces. All right. Then number 5, the moss. Look at this. Moss. Okay. And then number 6, the colorful stones. Colorful stones. All right. Those things are the things that we need for repotting a plant. All right. Repotting a plant. Pot. Okay. Put soil in the pot. Okay. And then remove the plant. And then put it in the other pot. And then if you're done, water the plant in the pot and then put the flower or the plant in the sunlight. All right, that is the repotting of the plant. Look at the picture. Number 1, you need the pot with soil. Okay. Number 2, from the other pot, remove the plant. This one, remove from the other pot and then put the plant in the other big pot. All right. Look at this. Number 4. Just like this. Okay. And look at the number 5. Okay. The extra soil here in the side of the old soil with the root of the plant, like this. That's how to do the repotting plant. And then water the new plant. Understand? All right. Process of the seed. For example, if we plant, so it begins to the seed. Now, let's learn about the process of the seed germination. All right. This is the process of seed germination. Okay, look at the picture. From the seeds under the soil, and then it will grow like this. Okay, the seed is growing, and then this is the cotyledon. Okay, look at this, and then it will grow big like this. Okay, the growing plant. That is the process of the seed germination. All right. Now, I will play a short video and I hope you'll listen carefully. Are you ready? Okay, here we go.
Our topic for today is seed germination.
It's time to work. I know.
Aha!
I will get the seed.
The life of a plant begins from a tiny seed. The seed is protected by an outer covering called a seed coat. The seed contains a small baby plant called an embryo.
Let's sow the seed. Wait, I have some conditions.
Conditions required for the growth of a seed are moisture, warmth, nutrient-rich soil, sunlight, good quality seed. Once these conditions are satisfied, the seed begins to grow. The seed absorbs water from the soil. And provides moisture to the embryo. The plant cells inside the seed start duplicating. Enzymes get activated. Embryo starts getting nourishment. The first sign of growth is a tiny root which comes out of the seed.
Hey, I am Mr. Root. Let us study the process of germination.
With more and more nourishment, the embryo starts growing.
Oh, sunlight. It's time for photosynthesis.
Eventually, the growing plant bursts open through the seed coat in search of sunlight. To start its own process of photosynthesis. Once the seed coat falls off, the root starts growing downwards to anchor the seed. And to search for more food and nutrients from the soil. Meanwhile, The shoot also starts growing upwards towards the light. Soon, we see a baby plant with tiny leaves. This process of the growth of a seed into a plant is called germination.
All right. Life cycle of flowering plant. Again, life cycles of flowering plant. Look at the picture. From the seeds, this one, to seedlings. Look at the picture. From seedlings to young plant. From young plant to adult plant. And then look at this. It's flowering, the adult plants, and then it has fruits, and then inside of the fruits is the seeds. So this is the life cycles of flowering plants, from the seeds to seedlings, from seedlings to young plant, and then to adult, and then back to the seeds. That is the cycle of flowering plants. All right. Now, the life of a plant begins from a tiny seeds. Okay? So, again, the life of a plant begins from a tiny seed. This one is the seeds. All right? Okay, the life of the plants begins from a tiny seeds. All right. Now, the life of a plant begins from a tiny seed. The seed is protected by an outer recovering called a seed coat. This one. Okay, so this is the yellow one. The orange one. This is the seed coat, or the brown one, the orange brown color. So this is the seed coat that covering the or protecting the seeds. All right. Okay. Now, the life of a plant begins from a tiny seed. Yes, we know that. Now, the seeds contains a small baby plant called embryo. Okay, this one. Okay, look at the arrow. Okay, this arrow is pointing the embryo, the baby plant. Okay, don't forget that. All right. Now, part of seed. Part of seed. So we have cotyledon, this one, cotyledon, and then this one, the first leaf. first leaf, and then this one is the embryo here, and then the seed coat, this one, the brown color, this one, this is the seed coat. All right, so don't forget that parts of seed cotyledon here, this one, and then this one is the first leaf, and then this one is the embryo. The seed coat is what covering or protecting the seeds inside, that we call the seed coat. All right. Now, what is cotyledon? Okay, an embryonic leaf in seed bearing plants, one or more of which are the first leaves to appear from a germinating seed. That's one. Okay, that is cotyledon, from the inside of the seeds. This is the seeds. Okay. And additional, how to take care of the plant. Take care of the plant.
Take care of plants. The activities necessary for taking care of plants. Watering the plants daily. Don't cut trees. Don't crush small plants. Place the plants under sunlight. Don't pluck flowers. Plants around us. Large plants are trees. A large tree. A tree. Plants. Small plants. Plants give us flowers. Plants give us flowers. Flowers smell sweet. Rose. Cotton. Marigold. Sunflower. Tulip. Lily. Plants give us fruits and vegetables.
Potatoes, tomatoes, guava, bringle, cucumber, cauliflower, orange, apple,
onion, bananas, pineapple, strawberries, peas, grapes, radish.
Care for plant. Look at the picture. All right, that's it. Plants needs. Okay, this is the review. What the plants needs: sunlight, air, soil, and water. Very good. Now let's practice. Okay, practice time. Number 1. The life of a plant begins from a tiny what? Yes, seed. Okay, the life of a plant begins from a tiny seed. All right. Number 2. The seeds contains a small baby plant called an what? Very good. Called embryo. Okay, the seed contains a small baby plant called an embryo. All right. Number 3. The seed is protected by an outer covering called a what? Yes, seed coat. The seed is protected by an outer covering called a seed coat. Very good. Now, activity time. Write your name, section, and number. Direction. Draw a seed like this. First one and the second one. Draw a seed and name the parts of the seeds. Here you can. Okay, you draw first the seeds, this one and this one, and then name the parts of the seeds, then color. Did you get it? For example, you draw the first seeds, and then this one. Draw a seeds and name the parts of the seeds. So, where is the parts of the seeds? Here, this one, and this one, and also this one. So, you choose the answer here inside the box. And then you can read the past too if you don't know how to read the English one. Alright? Thank you.